Hi, I'm Marissa, and today I'm going to help you set up your first auto report in the ELITE DataSystems software. With ELITE DataSystems open, you will see 5 main tabs across the top. We're looking for the Reports tab, so let's click that and I'll give you a quick overview of the layout before we create our first report. Inside of the reporting window, you will notice 3 key areas. On the left is the report setup, in the center, a list of saved reports, and on the right, report options. In the report setup area, we are going to begin by giving our report a name and title. Since this is our first report, I'm going to keep this very simple and create a daily ESD testing report. To start, we will add the report name first, then create a report title, which we will name ESD Morning Daily Report. Next, you will click on the drop-down box of the Report Filter tab and select the filter that best meets your needs. I prefer to use the All feature, so you can see all tests that are taken instead of focusing on passes or fails only. From there, you will click on the next drop-down box under the Group By section and select how you want to see this report grouping. Most people use the Department or Supervisor Filter Group By option. For example, if I select the Group By section of Supervisor ID, this will group each Supervisor ID with their employees underneath, so they can quickly identify who is in their team and did they pass, fail low, or fail high. Once you have selected your Group By section, you will create a send time. This will be the time that you expect the auto report to send every day. So for my morning ESD report, I will select 8:30 a.m. I expect everybody to be on the floor and tested by this time. The final step is selecting the schedule. I'm going to choose to have my daily ESD report send Monday through Friday, so I will check each box for the day I selected. Now that I have completed the left-hand side of the auto report, I will move over to the right-hand side where you will see 5 tabs. The first tab is the Report Fields tab. This will allow you to select all the data you want to see on your auto report. The more data you put in, the more data you get out. This system will automatically pre-select the first 5 most important fields. From there, you can add more fields based on the amount of data your ESD program requires. The next tab is titled Email Recipient. This is where you will select the email recipients that you want to receive the daily report. If you do not see a supervisor or manager listed in the Email Recipients tab, you can add that person manually in seconds. Once you have selected all of the email recipients for this daily report, you will select the department filter. If you have more than one department, you may need to utilize this filter. If you have one department, you will not need to use or select a department in this section. The Supervisor Filter tab will allow you to select the supervisors that show up on this report, so anybody that is not selected will not show up. Last but not least is the Report Options tab. This allows you to select how you would like your automated reports to send. The 2 most popular is an Excel format or an embedded report on an email body. Now that you've selected your report options, you can go over to the left and hit Save. You have now created your first auto report. Thank you for joining me today. We hope that this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below and please feel free to visit us online at Botron.com.